Alright guys, this is what I got. She's a little bit of a rat's nest right now. What the frick happened here? Anyway, there we go. This is my tree pruning thingamajig. Cuts branches from way down on the ground, as long as you can reach them. You hook the branch on here, pull the string, and she cuts off. I call it a branch cutter. Anyway, when I was using this thing to trim those trees, I think you probably saw. If not, check out this video over here. Anyway, it broke. So it looks like the grain is like at an angle. It's like they used the wrong part of the tree or something. And it just snapped. Here's the other half. You can barely tell it's even there. It's a old crack over there. Anyway, we're going to glue that together and see what gives. Let's get some glue. It's got all crusty glue that comes out of a bottle. We're going to put some gobbly glue on here. We'll see if we can merge these suckers back together and turn them back into one. Alright, let's add some glue. There we go. I got the good stuff. It's going to ooze out, but that means every last little surface is going to be covered in glue. Alright, let's try putting this sucker back together. Put her together, slide it around a bit, give her a little twisty twist, give her a bit of a squeeze, wipe some of this glue off. Like a trusty old hammer, I'm going to whack the end a little bit, drive this together more. Just check it with your finger. If it feels like it's a nice smooth transition to the broken piece beside it, then we're in the right spot. Okay, let's put more clamping on there. Let's go get Ed Clampett, or Jed Clampett, whatever his name is. Alright, take that quick grip off of there. What are we looking like here? I don't like that. Let's change that a little bit. There we go. See that glue oozing out of there? Turn this way, Quagmire. Look at all that glue that oozed out of there. I mean, she's getting tight. With the other piece of wood, the transition feels fairly good. I mean, it's not great, but it never is, so perfect is overrated. There, we're missing a piece, but here it feels pretty good. Well, you expect perfect? I mean, the frickin' thing's broken. It's not gonna be perfect. Yeah, get her close, clamp her good and tight. I'm gonna put another vice grip on. You would think a garage with about 200 vice grips, it wouldn't be that hard to find one. But it is. There we go. That oozed a little more glue. Okay. Now whatever glue you can't reach, just leave it on there. It'll break off like nothing later. Just set it up like that. Let it sit for a day or so. Listen up, Quagmire. It's been a weekend. It is now Monday. We're going to see how it looks by removing them one at a time. Once, twos, and threes. So she looks a little crusty. We'll take a bit of this sanding block and we'll sand all this crusty glue off of there. Alright, I'm pretty happy with that. Now, if it was a, say, straighter break, where this actual crack was probably double this length, I wouldn't be too worried about it anymore. All in all, I'm debating, do I even... I mean, that's a fair bit of pressure on there, and it's not breaking. But do I trust it? Do I trust it? The only thing that'll fix this more would probably be fiberglass. Flappity flap! Alright, let's put her in the vise. Alright, Twinkle Toes, pay attention right here. Damn it! See this drywall tape? This is some kind of fiber mesh. Yeah, it's pretty freaking strong. We're going to wrap that around here and mix it with some epoxy. And then that's going to form a heck of a barrier around this thing and it's not going to break. Okay, I got another bucket of this stuff from Dollar Grandma. That's what we're using. The good stuff. 5-minute epoxy. Get yourself a piece of cardboard from Cardboard Is Us. A little bit of schmoo on there. Oh yeah, look at the schmoo. Pull the plunger back just a hair to make it stop oozing out. Start mixing. Gotta make sure part A mixes with part B. Alright. Alright. Focus! Alright. Take some schmoo. Get it in there. Make sure you're getting it where you need it. Drip it on the floor. Take the tape. I'm going to use a vice grip for this. Take the vice grip off. I'm just kind of rubbing it together. Get all that crap to penetrate the other crap. Everything kind of bonds together with this stuff, and then next thing you know, holy crap, you got a strong piece of stick. Alright, I think she's starting to solidify. And there you have it. So, will it hold? I think it will. I think it's going to be stupid strong. Keyword, stupid. Alright, we'll see, Twinkle Toes. Now the only thing you're left to do, and the truly Canadian thing, is wrap that sucker in hockey tape. There. That'll fix her.